How to fix Canon printer error 7700. First, turn off the printer. Unplug the power cable and wait at least 2 minutes. Canon recommends power cycling the printer before further troubleshooting. Step 2. Check and reseat the ink cartridges. Open the printer cover, remove all ink cartridges, check for protective tape, dirt or damage. Reinstall each cartridge firmly until it clicks into place. Step 3. Clean the cartridge contacts. Remove the cartridges, locate the gold or copper contacts, gently wipe them with a lint-free cloth and allow them to dry before reinstalling. Damaged or dirty contacts can prevent the printer from recognizing the cartridge or print head. Step 4. Replace recently installed cartridges. If error 7700 appeared immediately after replacing a cartridge, remove the newly inserted cartridge, reinstall the previous cartridge if available. If using third-party or refilled cartridges, try genuine Canon cartridges. Canon specifically identifies refilled and third-party cartridges as a common trigger for the error 7700. Step 5. Check the print head. For models with removable print heads, remove the print head, inspect it for ink buildup or damage, reinstall it carefully, and run the printer's print head cleaning utility. Some Canon models identify this error as a print head failure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.